Hello everyone. In this video I am going to tell you how to construct a quadrilateral in which two sides are given and three angles are also given. Okay, two sides and three angles. So your rough figure, first quadrilateral you have to draw. To make a quadrilateral, ABCD. ABCD is given name. ABCD. AB is your 6.6 centimeter and BC is your 6.6 centimeter. Now angle B is 125 degree, angle C is 50 degree and angle D is 65 degree. So now you can see this one thing, that angle D is an angle. The angle is made up by the two arms, and in angle D both arms are not given. See, DC arm and DA arm, both arms are not given, and if both arms are not given, so we are not able to draw this angle. Means if you know the line 1.2 centimeter, then on one point you will get, and then on A point or B point you can draw the angle. But D angle, here you don't know the DA side, you don't know the DC side, so how you will draw 65 angle? It's not possible. Now see, angle B, you know this side and this side, both arms you know, so you are able to draw 125 angle. Angle C is your 50 degree. Now you can see this one arm, CB, you know it is 6.6. So okay, one side is one arm, you know the length of one arm you better know. So you are able to draw 50 degree. But how you will draw the side CD, angle D, because you are not given any side. So as the rough figure told us that for drawing the angle A, we don't have the both the sides, so we are unable to draw this. So by this, how can we draw? First, you see that we can draw a line BC. On C point we can make angle 50. On B point we can make angle 125. We can put arc of 6.6. We will get A point. Now from where we will get the D point on which we have to draw 65 degree angle? So we are unable to draw 65 angle. So they have given us the 65 angles, which is useless at that time. But ultimately 5 things they have given to draw the quadrilateral. So now you can see 3 angles are given. If we know where is angle A, what is the measurement of angle A, easily we can draw the quadrilateral. So first of all, by angle sum property of quadrilateral, angle A plus angle B, we will find the angle A 360 degree. Angle A we don't know, angle B is 125 degree, angle C is 50 degree, angle D is 65 degree. So angle A is your, and the total is your 240 degree, and you will get 360 minus 240, so you will get angle A is 120 degree. So now it is very easy. We know the angle A is 120 degree. Now easily we can draw this. Now see how we draw it. Take a line AB 6.6. AB is your 6.6. This is your point A and B 6.6 centimeter. On angle B, we have to draw angle 125, and 125 is not a multiple of 15. So we have to draw with a protractor. Place protractor on point B. Adjust your line, protractor line with your baseline. See, your baseline is your left hand side. Read out the scale from 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 and 10, 20, and in between 120 and 30, 125. Match this point. join these 2 points B and this point. Now at angle A you have to draw angle of 120. So one arc is of 60 degree and another one is of 120 degree. So draw it, match these 2 points and make an angle of 120. Afterward they have given from B to C is your 6.6. So B to C is your 6.6. Place your compass tip on B point and cut the line by an arc and give it a name C, and it is your 6.6 centimeter. Now you don't know the CD measurement, you don't know, AD measurement you don't know. So on point C, but you have to make angle 50. Again 50 is not a multiple. So on this point where this line and arc cut to each other, this point we have to make angle 50. So now baseline is on your left hand side. So read from this point. This is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. It's your point. Angle is 50 there. Now match these point C and this point of 50 degree angle. So it's your 50 degree, it's your 125 degree, and it's your 120 degree, and this your point D, and you easily can check it that your angle is of 65 or not. Place this and read it out and you can check it. See, baseline is on left hand side, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and 65. Your exact angle D is 65 degree without drawing. I hope so that you will get how to draw this quadrilateral when 3 angles are given, but instead of 3 angles you have to find out the fourth angle also to construct the quadrilateral. Thank you.